Some researchers now believe contagious yawning may have been one of the earliest forms of emotional contagion in human evolution, a precursor to more complex forms of empathy that would later become crucial for sophisticated social cooperation and culture development. So, the next time you catch yourself yawning after seeing someone else yawn, recognize that you're experiencing an ancient neurological mechanism designed to keep social groups safe and synchronized. It's a small but fascinating window into how your brain is constantly processing social information and maintaining group bonds.